Hello and welcome to today's video on how our universe is continuously growing. We live in a vast and ever-expanding universe, but what does that mean, exactly? How do we know the universe is growing, and what implications does that have for us? First, let's talk about how we know the universe is expanding. The key piece of evidence comes from observing distant galaxies. When we look at these galaxies, we can see that they are moving away from us. Moreover, the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it seems to be moving away from us. This is known as Hubble's law, named after the astronomer Edwin Hubble, who first discovered this phenomenon in the 1920s. Hubble's law tells us that the universe is expanding, but it doesn't tell us why. To understand why the universe is expanding, we need to turn to the concept of the Big Bang. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe began as a hot, dense, and an infinitely small point known as a singularity. This singularity then began to expand, eventually giving rise to the universe we see today. But why is the universe still expanding? One explanation comes from the concept of dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that seems to be driving the expansion of the universe. It's called dark because we don't know much about it, except that it seems to make up a large portion of the energy density of the universe. So, how is the universe expanding, exactly? One way to think about it is to imagine a loaf of raisin bread. As the bread bakes, the dough expands, and the raisins get farther apart from one another. In the same way, as the universe expands, galaxies get farther apart from one another. But what does this mean for us, here on Earth? One implication is that the farther away a galaxy is, the longer ago its light left it to reach us. This means that by observing distant galaxies, we can look back in time and see what the universe was like in the past. Another implication of the universe's expansion is that it might be accelerating. This means that the rate of expansion is increasing over time. If this is true, it has significant implications for the future of the universe. Eventually, the expansion of the universe might become so fast that galaxies get torn apart, and the universe itself becomes a vast expanse of empty space. In conclusion, our universe is continuously growing, and the evidence for its expansion is all around us. From Hubble's law to dark energy, there's plenty of fascinating science to explore. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at a universe that's constantly growing and changing.